Hello everyone, welcome to PUC Biology Practical 7, Session 7. In this practical, we are going to discussing about morphology of cockroach. Yes, these students will know about cockroaches. Cockroaches are the nocturnal omnivores. Nocturnal omnivores. So which means, these are all very active at night time. And these cockroaches are black and brown bodied animals and comes under the class Insecta, and phylum Arthropoda. Comes under the class Insecta and phylum Arthropoda, and they are bright red, yellow and green colored cockroaches have been reported in tropical region, and their sizes is inches to 3 inches, or it may be 0.6 to 6.7 centimeter, and they have long antennae, pair of wings and legs, and flat extension of the upper body wall that conceals head, and they are the nocturnal omnivores present in dump places throughout the world, and they have become residents of human homes, and they are the serious pest, and they are vectors for several diseases, which means by the movement of cockroach, the cockroach can spread a number of diseases. Let's discuss the morphology of cockroach. In the right side we can observe the picture of cockroach. Yes, the adult of the most common species of cockroach, that is Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana is the most common species, and they are about 34 to 53 micrometer long, with wings that extended beyond the tip of the abdomen in males, and the body of cockroach is segmented and is divisible into 3 distinct regions. It is called head, thorax and abdomen. And the entire body of the cockroach is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton, which is brown in color, and in each segment exoskeleton hardened plates, that is called sclerites. See, the sclerites dorsally is called tergites, and ventrally is called sternites. Ventrally, the tergites and the sternites, they are joined to each other by a thin and flexible articular membrane that is called arthrodial membrane. Yes, it's called arthrodial membrane. Yes, the most common species is Periplaneta americana, which is 34 to 53 micrometer long, with wings extended beyond the tip of the abdomen in males, and the body of a cockroach is segmented and divisible into 3 distinct regions, that is called head, thorax, abdomen, and the body of cockroach, the entire body of cockroach is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton which is brown in color, and in each segment and exoskeleton hauled under plates, that is called sclerites. Dorsally tergites and ventrally sternites. So these are all joined to each other by a thin and flexible articular membrane, that is called arthrodial membrane. Yes, let's discuss the head region of cockroach. Yes, we can answer here in the right side. The head is triangular in shape and present at the anterior end, and the head is formed by fusion of 6 segments, and which shows great mobility in all direction due to presence of flexible neck. And the head shows presence of pair of compound eye. See, compound eye, which means presence of number of ommatidia. See, these ommatidias are tiny independent photoreception units. Tiny independent photoreception units. And presence of pair of antenna. See, these antenna are act as a sensory receptors, so which helps in monitoring the environment. And presence of segmented mouth parts. Yes, sir, this is all about head region of cockroach. The head is triangular in shape and which is present at the anterior end, and it is formed by fusion of 6 segments, and it shows great mobility in all directions due to presence of flexible neck, and presence of pair of compound eye, and presence of pair of antenna, which is act as a sensory receptors, which helps to monitoring the environment, and presence of segmented mouth parts. Yes, let's discuss the thorax region of cockroach. Yes, the thorax consists 3 parts. One is prothorax and mesothorax and metathorax. Yes, the head through the neck get attached to prothorax, and each thoracic segment bears pair of legs. Totally presence of 3 pairs of legs. 3 pairs of legs. And there are presence of 2 pair of wings. Okay, one is tegmina. The first pair is tegmina, which arises from mesothorax, which is dark and leathery, covered the hind wings when the cockroach is in rest. This is all about forewings. Okay, the second pair of wings are hind wings, which arises from metathorax, yes, which is transparent, membranous, and used to fly. So this is all about thorax region of cockroach. Yes, the thorax region of cockroach consists 3 parts: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Yes, the head through neck get attached to prothorax, and each thoracic segment bears a totally presence of 3 pairs of legs, and there are 2 pairs of wings. It is called forewings and hindwings. Yes, the first one is the forewings is called tegmina, which arises from mesothorax, which is in dark and leathery, cover the hindwings when the cockroach is in rest. And the second pair of wings are hind wings. These wings arises from metathorax, which is transparent and membranous, used to fly. Let's discuss the mouth parts of cockroach. Yes, dear students, in the right side we can observe the picture of mouth parts of cockroach. The anterior end of the head bears appendages forming biting and chewing types of mouth parts. Yes, the cockroach mouth consists upper lip. That upper lip is called labrum, and either side of the labrum presence of a pair of mandible, and below the mandible presence of a pair of maxillae, and the lower lip is called labium. The lower lip is called labium, and presence of median flexible lobe that act as tongue, that is called hypopharynx. Hypopharynx. Yes, these are all about mouth parts of cockroach. Yes, the mouth parts consists upper lip, that is called a labrum, and the either side of the upper lip presence of a pair of mandible, below the mandible presence of a pair of maxillae, and the lower lip is called labium, and the presence of the medium lobe that act as a tongue, that is called hypopharynx. So this is all about mouth parts of cockroach. Yes, let's discuss the abdominal region of cockroach. Yes, dear students, in both male and female cockroach, abdomen consists totally 10 segments. 10 segments. In females, the 7th sternum is in the right side. We can observe the female abdominal segments. The 7th sternum is boat shaped, and the 8th and 9th sterna, the 8th and 9th sterna forms genital pouch. Is in the right side. We can observe the 8th and 9th sterna forms genital pouch. The female genital pouch and the anterior part has female gonopore. Yes, these are all about abdominal region in female cockroach. Yes, the 7th sternum is boat shaped, the 8th and the 9th sterna forms a genital pouch. The female genital pouch on anterior part has female gonopore. So here the spermatical pores and collateral glands and anal styles are absent. The abdominal region of male cockroach. So here also in the right side we can observe the abdominal region of male cockroach. Here also presence of 10 segments, and here the genital pouch lies at the hind end of the abdomen, covered dorsally by 9th and 10th terga, dorsally, and ventrally by the 9th sternum. And the male genital pouch has dorsally anus and ventrally presence of male genital pores, and gonapophysis. Yes, at the end of abdomen in male cockroach bears a pair of short thread-like anal style. So these are all about abdominal region of male cockroach. Yes, in the both male and female cockroach, the 10th segment bears a filamentous thread-like structure that is called cerci. Yes, dear students, in this session we had discussed about external morphology of cockroach. In morphology, we studied about head region of cockroach, mouth parts of cockroach, and thoracic region of cockroach, and abdominal region of cockroach. Thank you.